YouTube? But it is what it is. We're back with another video. I know y'all, I did a video back in the day. Not back in the day, but like a little while ago, and it was a motivational POV video. And that video did very good. I got a lot of good feedback from y'all, so I decided I wanted to do it again. And you feel me, give y'all some words of wisdom to kind of, you feel me, help y'all with y'all journey of life and how this stuff going. For those that don't know me, I am Josh, and I do car content, and I do have a 2020 Daytona scat pack charger. As you can see, I've had this car since March. I got it my birthday when I was 19, and I am 20 now, so yeah. But with that being said, as you can see, this video is gonna have no cuts, none of that, like no cuts, no nothing. That's why I was talking slow, because somebody was driving like they were looking weird. But yeah, these videos, it's no cuts. Y'all know the rules. There's no cuts in it. It's no nothing. It's just pure organic. I don't post it on my story. I just randomly post these videos, and hopefully it reaches whoever it needs to reach and stuff like that. And yeah, but with that being said, we ain't gonna do a whole lot of talking, but the topic of today's video will be, how badly do you really want it, bro? That's the main topic of today's video. So with that being said, we're gonna get right into it. And yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all with a warm start. Let go. Turning the lights on for y'all so y'all can see. Did install some lights. The video on that will come very, very soon. That will probably come in a couple videos, but y'all will see it, basically. Y'all will see it. But yeah, we're gonna put her in sports mode, and yeah. But yeah, y'all, like I said, today's topic will purely be, how bad do you truly want it? And I know a lot of y'all probably thinking, like, what does he mean by that? Like, what does that mean? Like, what do you mean, how badly do I want it? Like, what is this dude talking about? But what I purely mean of, like, is strictly like your goals. You know, I know a lot of people, we want a lot of things in life, and you feel me? We want a lot of things in life, and I know some people probably wonder, like, how am I gonna do it? Like, how am I gonna get this done? How? Like, a lot of people come to me and they tell me they want this type of car, and they want this and that. And, you know, I just purely tell them, like, my nigga, how bad do you want it? Because truly, if you want something bad enough, bro, you're gonna get it. Same thing with this car, bro. I'll make a video later on telling everybody the backstory, but bro, I studied everything about this car. Like, I studied hard for 2 years, bro, and I didn't even know how I was gonna get it, bro. Like, I didn't, but you feel me? I worked hard, dedication, and all that, but it truly comes down to, like I said, how bad do you want it, bro? Like, I was studying this car. I'm talking YouTube videos, watching YouTube videos every single day, bro. Like, watching YouTube videos every day on this car. I'm talking, like, everything, bro. Like, I was dig deep in this car. Like, full research and everything, bro. And I wanted it bad, bro. Like, I wanted it bad, so it's like, I dedicated everything, bro. Like, I worked my tail off, and I was able to achieve it, bro. And as long as you got God on your side, bro, you got God on your side to help you, and you putting in your work, I'm telling you, anything is possible, bro. So I don't want nobody to think that achieving anything is impossible, or you got to be this type of person to achieve certain things. You don't, bro. Like, I'm a regular 20-year-old kid, bro. Like, work a regular job. Like, you don't have to be this type of person that the internet, portrays people to be, bro. Like, and that's another thing. Like, don't let the internet fool you, bro. Like, the internet is a very scary, manipulative place, bro. Like, don't think things are how it seems on the internet, bro. Like, people aren't happy all the time, and that's okay. But people aren't happy all the time. It isn't what it seems, bro. So I don't want y'all to let the internet, like, having you think that it is what it isn't, bro. Like, it's not like that. Like, people go through things. People get sad no matter how rich, no matter nothing, bro. Like, it's, you feel me? Like, people get sad, bro. It's okay, my nigga. It's strictly okay. With money, without money, bro, it's sadness just comes, bro. It just is what it is. So I don't want y'all thinking that, you feel me, the more money, the more happier. And I do believe that, money brings happiness to an extent, but I don't think you'll just keep happiness. Like, no, I don't believe that. But I feel like money can result in more happiness for your life, because, you can impact people, you can impact your family, you can do a lot. So, yeah, that just goes back into the main topic of, guys, like, if you work hard enough for anything in life, and I don't want to sound like everybody else saying the same thing, but it truly is what it is, bro. Like, you work hard enough, bro, put in that time, dedication, you put in your 50%, and God puts in his 50. Pray every day, and, bro, it'll happen, bro. Like, when I was getting this car, I didn't know how I was going to get it, bro. I didn't know how. Like, I was working at Wendy's, bro, making $8 an hour, bro. $8. And I was thinking, like, bro, I want this car so bad, bro. I want this car so bad. But I didn't know how I was going to do it. So, I prayed to God. I told God, like, God, I want this car. Like, just please, allow me to get this car. Like, please. Like, and he set me up. He said, all right, if you think you're ready, let's go. So I worked my tail off. I saved money. I did everything I had to do, everything I needed to do, and God was able to bless me with this vehicle. And it doesn't even have to be about vehicles, bro. It can be about, you want a house, you want anything in life, bro. Like, you put in that 50%, you ask God, bro, God will do it. God will make a way for you. And just make sure y'all keep God in your life always, bro. Like, always keep God in your life, because without him, bro, nothing is possible. Nothing is achievable without the man above, bro. I'm telling you. So I want to make sure y'all always keep God in your life and keep grinding, man. Just stay consistent. Y'all know I preached consistency in the last video, or the last POV, motivational POV I did. Consistency is key, y'all. Like, anything, bro. And I know it's going to be some times where, you feel me, you're demotivated. You know what I'm saying? Like, we all get there. I don't want nobody thinking that some people are better than others. Like, we're all the same, bro. We're all human. We all go through things. That's just the way of life, bro. It's just the way of life. I ain't even gonna feed into his energy. I'm not even feeding into that. I'm chilling today. But yeah, like I was saying, like, I don't want y'all thinking that some people's lives is better than others because of what you see or see them post on the internet. Like, the main thing, bro, like, I want y'all to really understand, bro, like, the internet is literally like a facade, bro. Like, don't let the internet have you thinking that, like, somebody's life is better than yours, bro. No, bro. Life is what you make it. Like, if you make life to be this wonderful dream and, this wonderful dream that you're dreaming of, bro, that's what you got to make it, bro. But if you're sitting there saying that, oh, life is, you're making it seem miserable and saying it is miserable, it's going to be miserable, bro. Like, that's just the straight facts about it. Like, you got to make it no matter how bad things are, no matter how tough things get, bro. Like, y'all really got to keep your head up, bro, and like speak positive about everything, because your tongue is powerful, bro. Like, his tongue is a powerful weapon, bro. And if you speak that into existence of life being this negative aspect of how you're portraying it, it's gonna be that, bro. It's gonna be that. So no matter how hard times get or anything, bro, just always speak positive no matter what. Like, through it all. Like, it's been times where, like, my day was terrible. My day was terrible. My bad. My day was terrible, bro. And I said I wasn't gonna feed in, bro, and I did. I said I wasn't gonna feed in, I did. I'm sorry, y'all. But anyway, yeah. Like, don't let the internet have y'all thinking it's something when it's not, bro. Don't think that, man. But yeah, y'all, I don't know how long I want this video or what, but I just want to, keep y'all heads up. And I hope this video really found who it needed to be found. Like, if somebody needed this message, I'm not the best motivational speaker. I'm not even a talker for real, bro. Like, I'm a quiet dude. Like, behind these YouTube videos and all that, bro, I'm a quiet dude. I don't do too much. Like, I'm a quiet guy. So if my words didn't, didn't come out how it was supposed to come out, I apologize. But, I try my best to, like, I feel like God sends me to, like, do these things, to get the word out and, like, to preach God's word. And I don't want to make it seem like I'm shoving God down people's throat. Like, nah, that's not what it is. But I just want it to be on some, God's arms is open. So if you feel like, you're lost or you need help in life, like, God's arms and his doors are open, bro. Like, come, you're welcome. No matter how you look, how your past life was, how things went in the past, bro, it doesn't matter, bro. God doesn't care about that, bro. Like, God's arms is open. So come be blessed, bro. Come be blessed. But yeah, man. Moral of the story, man, I want y'all to always keep y'all head up, speak positive about life. Don't let the internet fool you into thinking that someone's living better than you or doing better than you in life, bro. Because they probably put in that behind the scenes hard work that, you feel me, that you need to put in. We never know. So I want y'all to, no matter what you're doing in life, put in that 100% hard work. Put in that work, put in that grind. If you got to distance yourself from certain people, do what you got to do, bro. Because at the end of the day, it's only you. Like, your parents aren't going to be there. You aren't going to be there. I mean, not you, but people aren't going to be there. At the end of the day, it's just you. Only you are going to have you, bro. Like, when you die, it's just you. Nobody leaves with you. So do everything for you. Don't listen to others and what they have to say. At the end of the day, it's just you, bro. Don't let others' opinions, distract you from your main goal, bro. Don't ever let it do that. But yeah, bro, hope y'all having an amazing, wonderful day. You feel me? Hopefully God is uplifting y'all. And, hope God is blessing y'all in the best way possible. But yeah, man, we're just gonna continue riding out. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. If you guys love these videos, let me know. I will make more. It ain't nothing to me. I like talking about stuff like this. You feel me? And yeah, bro, like I said, y'all did amazing the last video, so I said I gotta do a part 2, but you feel me, in the charger. So I had to do that for y'all. And yeah, bro, y'all talk to me in the comments too. Like, let's have some conversations. Like, I'm not Hollywood. I'm not none of that, bro. Like, y'all want to talk to me in the comments or Instagram, bro. DM me. Like, we can talk, bro. I don't care who you are. Brown, yellow, orange, 2 hands. You got 2 heads. You got a daggone, you a felon in jail. You trap sell weed, bro. To me, it don't matter, bro. I don't care who you are, what you do, how you do it. I don't see stuff like that, bro. I don't see that, bro. Like, I don't see none of that. I see humans as humans, bro. And, you know, God forgives, so I forgive. And, you know, God's understanding and God doesn't judge. And, you know, I got to live by God's word. You can't judge somebody based on their past or things you might not know in life, bro. Like, you can't judge, bro. Don't be a judger. But, yeah, man. That's really kind of what I had going on in today's video. Not really too crazy. I just wanted to, you know what I'm saying, talk to y'all. Make sure y'all staying consistent. Still working. Still grooving, man. Like, you feel me? I always got to check on my people. Check on y'all. All 1,300 of y'all. My true family. Got to make sure y'all good. So that's why I made these videos. You know what I'm saying? Check on y'all. And even with new people, you know what I'm saying? People that's seeing this, hopefully y'all join the true family and, you know what I'm saying, be with us as we on this journey of life, you know what I'm saying? Because we all in this, we just enjoying life. That's all it is, man. We just enjoying life, living it the best we can possible. But with that being said, y'all, that might be the end of today's video, man. I said what I had to say. Preach what I had to preach today. Preacher Josh in the building. Y'all spam Preacher Side in the building. Y'all spam Preacher Side. Preacher PSY in the building, man. But yeah, man. Probably gonna be the end. Ooh, nice Chrysler right there. Yeah, with that being said, that will be the end of today's video. Hopefully this got across to whoever needed to see it. And like I said, y'all, this one cut, so like I can't cut nothing out even when I'm like, oh, I got everything off the dome. But yeah, hopefully this came across to anybody that needed to see it, and anybody that need to see it. If God sent this to you and God told you to watch this video, this was meant to be. I'm talking to you through the screen. You got this. Whatever you're going through in life, you got this. If nobody has your back, just know I might not physically be able to know who you are, but just know I'm with you. I'm praying for you. This video was meant for you to see it, and it's God's message to you to let you know it's okay. You got this. You got this. Don't let anybody discourage you from thinking you don't. Don't let the fantasies of life that you see on the web or on the internet think that you're not living the life that you need to live, or you're not doing it the right way, bro. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're on the right path. Everything happens for a reason. I got you. God's got you. You feel me? But yeah, y'all, that is probably going to be the end of the motivational POV. Like I said, if y'all like these videos, man, y'all let a brother know. And you feel me? I'll make another one. It ain't nothing to that. It ain't nothing to that. Hold on, I'm gonna kind of angle it a little bit so we can get a thumbnail and I can get up out of here. I can get all up out of here. But, I done said but like 50 times, big brother. I done said but like 50 times, but. Yeah, y'all, it is gonna be the end of today's video. Y'all let me know if y'all enjoy these type of videos. Let me know and I'll post another one. But with that being said, Cycle be the game, Revive be the game. I love y'all. Y'all stay up. Y'all stay positive. Y'all keep working. And yeah, love y'all. Bye.